Hello guys, on this video I'm going to be teaching you how you edit your flying car on your video. You click on your CapCut, so you click on new project, you select your background. I'm using this background here, can you see it? So you click on the background, then the ratio aspect, you click on it. Let's use this, then you bring it this way, then click on OK, you go back, can you see it? Then you click on overlay, then you click on this flying car, so you click on it, you go back. I'm just using this background as an illustration, but you can use your own different background out of this. You understand? You can shoot your own background elsewhere, but I'm using this one as an illustration. Then you go back, then you click on remove background, click on chroma key, then you target the point you want to remove the green, you remove it totally, then you increase this, you remove the shadow, then you add the intensity. Can you see it? Now let's start. So can you see? This is what we observe. This background is too short, so let's extend it. Look at duplicate. We duplicate it, so let's play. As you duplicate it, so the overlay have already finished. So this is how to edit a flying car on your video. I'm just using this background as an illustration, so you can as well shoot your own background separately with your own camera. Okay, so if this video is of help to you, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.